Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's me, MESARASTARR. Thank you so much for being here. This was such a surprise for me to see when I hopped online this morning. I was like, what's happening here? I didn't know that this was launching today, so I'm really excited about it. So if you click on this picture, it's going to take you to the five choices for laundry detergent, something brand new to Bath and Body Works. So I always love seeing, fresh new things brought to the table for choices to, things to buy at Bath and Body Works. Now, I was able to get a sample when we had the free sample they were handing out with the rewards. Like if you, app member, they had this barcode you could take to the store and then pick a choice of what scent you wanted in a packet. Now, I don't recall seeing the Cozy Cashmere. And actually, I'm looking back at the photo from the store. I took a picture of all the choices and I never saw the Cozy Cashmere. So I think this is kind of like a surprise little thing they've added to the lineup for scents. I really love it. So now I want to talk more about this. I've actually used it and I want to talk about my thoughts on it. Let's look at the overview of it though. It says it has 64 washes per bottle. It's concentrated formula. Let's put a pin in that. I'm going to go back to that in just a moment. Works in high efficiency in standard machines, cleans in all temperatures, and is septic safe. Okay, so you get 64 small wash loads measured to line 1 in the cap, or you get 32 large wash loads measured to line 2 in a cap. So again, it's half off for being early access. The sale runs through, I think Thursday. It's through August 10th. So I think August 10th is Thursday. Starts today, half off. And if you have additional 20% off, I believe that would work on that. Now, they're not showing up in my stores around me, but that doesn't mean they're not in stores. So I do want to mention that as well. I would imagine that they're going to be in stores today, so it just may not be updated online. Okay, so now here's what I want to talk about. So again, we've got the choices of sun-drenched linen, mahogany teakwood, lavender vanilla, 1,000 wishes, and cozy cashmere. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this one because I chose this one for my free sample. Okay, so I ended up washing my bathroom rugs with this. And when so when I opened the packet, okay, so I poured the whole thing into my cap or to my dispenser. I have a high efficiency washer, so like a front loader. So, okay, so then I was like, this is not enough soap for washing I have, I think 3 or 4 bath rugs in there. And so I was like, I can't do this. This is not enough soap. And so I really overdo it with the soap. I'll be honest with you. I use a lot of soap for my detergent. And so I'm like, I'm going to just go ahead and mix a little bit of mine with it. So that was not the best idea for me because my machine I had to run it 3 times. It was sudsing too much. So I would get the error code. I have to start the load over. Get the error code. I had to start the load over. Finally, it rinsed all the soap out. And when I opened it up, on the second load, it was just filled with suds. So this is so highly concentrated. I want to make this point out as well, is that when I got it on my hands, because I ripped the packet open to pour it into the dispenser, it literally felt so slimy. And when I looked at it in the cup, this is another reason why my hands got the detergent on it, because I actually was going to toss the detergent. I was like, this looks so thick, thick detergent. This looks so, you can't even see through it. It's that thick. And so I was like, I don't know. So then I was like, no, Sarah, you got to try this because I want to review it for you guys. So I was like, I got to try this. So, okay. So I started the load and I went to wash my hands. It took me about 15 hand washes to get the detergent off my hands. I'm not even kidding. I wish I was, but I actually had to use my actual dish soap to try to get that filling off of that sliminess of this detergent. So it is so, that's what I was trying to say, where it says it's highly concentrated or whatever it said about being concentrated. Yes, it is very concentrated. And I am not sure if I'm going to get it. I did mix it with other soap, which I'm sure that's not what you're supposed to do. But it just surprised me because it was so thick with it's so thick. It is so thick. I was like, I'm a little concerned this is going to plug up my machine. So I don't know, I'm so tempted to try it because it's $11.95 with additional 20% off, and maybe just try it one more time. I don't know, just because I always like to give it like a second chance, but did you guys try this and what were your thoughts on it? Like, I would love to know because I know a lot of you got the free sample like I did. And again, and when I went to, you know, finally when my load finished washing after 3 tries, I went to smell my rugs and I really didn't get this like, wow, I totally pick up 1,000 wishes in my rugs, right? So, yeah, that's another thing. I think that it's not a super strong scent. I think what will be the strongest in all of these is, you know, going to be your sun-drenched linen. I feel like that is like totally going to be like the winner of the, you know, the strength in this, the scent for there. So anyway, I just want to talk about that for a minute. Again, I like the ergonomic style of these bottles. I love the color options. I think they look really fantastic and super fun and like cute for the house. And I don't know, I just think they're fun. But again, I'm just not sure, friends, if I'm going to give it another whirl, like no pun intended. I'm so like on the fence about this one. Okay. So moving on, fall shop. I want to talk to you about fall shop. So you know, I saw in one of these pictures we had a few days ago, there was this really cute wallflower plug and it looked like a house and it was like fall themed. And so I haven't seen it since. So I don't know if that's coming around the corner for us at Bath and Body Works. I'm excited if it is because it looks like one of those like, you know, like those fancy wallflower plugs that like light up like the Easter houses, the Christmas houses and that type of thing. So there's also some new fall soap I want to kind of talk about for a minute. Fall soap. I did show this the other day, but they did add another one to the collection. It's so adorable. Here we go. Let me go to new arrivals real quick. And I think we're going to have a soap sale soon, friends. So I would wait on, you know, of course, getting these at full price. But I do want to show you. I want to show you this. It's so cute. It is so cute. I love my soaps, friends. I love my soaps. Okay, we're getting closer to it. I know we are. Okay, where are we? Where are we? Where are we? I just saw it, I promise. No, I can't find it. It does this sometimes to me. But it's the one with the, okay, the one that looks like it has the Easter bunny on it. It has, I think, a fox on it. Now, where did it go? Here it is. There it is. So, Forever Autumn with the cute little Easter bunny. This is the newest one I've seen. Don't sweat the fall stuff. Oh my gosh, you guys, I love that. Don't sweat the fall stuff. I mean, how adorable is that? Oh my gosh, you guys, I love that. And it matches the pocket back holder. So cute. That's going to be like my new saying. Don't sweat the fall stuff. So for all my like fall pictures and fall themed things, I just love that. So, okay, now this one I think is an online exclusive. Let me double check. Actually, it may not be. It may not be. Thought it was, but maybe not. Let me double check. Let me just double check that for us. Yeah, it's an online exclusive. So yeah, this is definitely like the pumpkin cupcake. Okay, so I wonder if there's going to be any more of this collection. It's just really cute. And yay, I'm so excited about that. Okay, so next up, see like the cartons of soap. These are $13.95. These went down to $9.95 at one point, but they're back up to $13.95. And so that is, for far as soap goes, that's all of the soap. Or sorry, that's all I wanted to show you in the soap area. For candles, they have added in the stars in the new signature style. I want to show you that. So that's also available online, and that is so pretty. So pretty. They also have, I showed it in my store walkthrough the other day. Japanese cherry blossom is now in the signature style as well as 1,000 wishes, but there's in the stars. This is just stunning. It is so pretty. This is actually has that like gritty, like glitter to it, like on the frame here, and little stars. It is so pretty. And then I love this like swirly S. I just think the packaging is fantastic. I just really love it. I don't see Japanese cherry blossom yet online like I saw in store in the new packaging. Yeah, it's not online yet. So let me see what else I want to talk about before I end this video. I want to make sure I cover everything I wanted to cover. Body care. So as far as, oh, I want to show you too, they're also adding this to, this is such a beautiful picture, by the way. I love the look of this. This is so stunning. Okay. So they've added picked just for you. I don't remember seeing this before, like the pick just for you. So I know other companies do that, like, you know, when you're shopping and stuff, but don't think I've seen this before unless I'm just forgetting. But they've picked this for me right now. Like Bath and Body Works is picking this for me. And these are all things that I would love to get. So yeah, Chasing Fireflies, I'll get on the next soap sale for sure. And yeah, you guys, so basically that is my website walkthrough for today. Thank you so much for coming along with me. I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, I would love to hear your feedback on the laundry detergent that is being launched today, and what your thoughts of it are, and what scent you're going to get if you're going to get it, and that type of thing. I think it's a fun thing. So anyways, friends, thank you again so much for being here, and I will see you all later today. Okay, so till next time, friends, take care and God bless you always, always, always. Happy shopping, and I will talk to you and I'll see you all soon. Bye for now, sweet friends. Bye.